Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arset, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. I'm a 16-year-old gardening educator down here in South Florida that tries to inspire other gardeners to get their hands in the dirt and grow their own food. So in today's exciting sprouting video, we won't be focusing on growing your own food. If not, we'll be focusing on the ornamental side of things in this video. As you guys know, I started as an ornamental gardener. I only did flowers, etc. And so, as you guys know, if you've been with me for some time now, that I've been partnering with the J-Berry Nursery for a long time now. We have about almost 2 years of partnering together. And they sent out an Arborvitae for me to try out in my garden, and I can't wait to do so. So, let's go ahead and unbox it and jump right into the video. So I opened the box, and like always, there's always going to be a plant care guide in the box once you order your plant. So you can see the little tiny ball here. I'm so excited. So I brought the camera a little bit closer, and here it is. This is the Tater Arborvitae from Proven Wieners. It is so adorable and cute. I can't wait to grow it in my garden. And so I decided to choose this evergreen because I only have one Arborvitae in the front of my house, especially when it comes to this variety, which is the Tater Top, which is modified to be a more petite type of evergreen. I was like, that would work perfect for the front of my garden, so I can make a new flower bed and deck that out with some gorgeous stuff, including this little tiny cutie right here. So in this video, I'll be giving you guys a full-on care guide on this Tater Tot Arborvitae, so you guys can know what's to come or what's expected from this little beauty right here. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So coming straight into this video, the sunlight requirements for a Tater Tot Arborvitae is partial sun. I know most evergreens are full sun-loving plants, but this Tater Tot Arborvitae here is a partial sun plant. It can handle a little bit of more sunlight, but it's preferred to be kept in partial sun, and which will perform the best in that location. So if you have a little location where it's lacking some plants and it's partial sun, you can go ahead and fit this little beauty right here, and it'll perform the best in your garden. So the sunlight requirements is partial sun. So when it comes to Arborvitaes in general, they like well-draining soil that is also airy and fluffy. In general, evergreens do not like very compacted soil, so make sure you aerate or amend the soil before planting your evergreen so it can be in a happy home and its roots can start like rooting out to its new home. And so make sure that the soil it's in is well draining and it's not boggy or it's clogged up. You want to make sure you put it in a location in which it will be able to have proper drainage. So fertilizing when it comes to evergreens is not that heavy actually. Once you plant your evergreen or your Tater Tot Arborvitae, you can put a slow release fertilizer that will last up to 3 months even, but it doesn't require so much fertilizer like a regular perennial or annual. So you don't want to go so heavy on an evergreen when it comes to fertilizing, because that can burn its roots and cause some issues with watering, some fungal issues later on. So you don't want to be so heavy with the fertilizer. Just go easy and start with a slower fertilizer in the beginning. So now here's a few uses when it comes to Arborvitaes or the Tater Tot Arborvitae. You can use it in containers, as a hedge, as the thriller plant in a landscape. You can also use this in a cottage garden or a formal garden. There is unlimited uses when it comes to the Tater Tot Arborvitae because it's a petite Arborvitae and it usually fits anywhere you put it. So it's really, really great that you're able to have an evergreen that you can fit in absolutely anywhere. So all evergreens do require a yearly pruning, and so we recommend to go ahead and prune your Arborvitae in early summer. So it won't be cold where it will frostbite in your plant, or it won't be too hot to the point where your plant could die because of the heat. So it's intermediate, so be moderate temperatures for you to prune back your little Arborvitae to the desired size. So the mature height and width when it comes to the Tater Tot Arborvitae is 1 to 2 feet tall and wide. That is a petite evergreen because usually Arborvitaes are these huge evergreens that are non-stop when they are growing and they're on their peak season. So it's glad to have a modified evergreen that stays petite and you're able to tuck it into a little raised bed where it won't steal the show. So that's the little quick video on the Tater Tot Arborvitae from Proven Wieners. I am so happy that I finally have this in my possession. And a huge shout out to the J-Berry Nursery for sending this out for me to try out in my garden. You can use my discount code, which will be shown on the screen for you guys, as well as the website links down below for you guys to check out as well. So that's your quick video on the Tater Tot Arborvitae. I'm super happy to see, and I'll be definitely giving you guys updates on it later on in the future. So thank you all so much for watching. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show the Ultimate Gardening channel some support. And while you're down there, please leave me any video suggestions in the comment section below, and I'll gladly do them for you guys. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.